How you doing? This is for the owners of excellent foundation repair specialists. Okay, when somebody's looking for your service, I mean, you guys might be bowed up already, right? You're just like, man, we're not taking appointments till February, or we're not doing anything. You're booked up till February, which is fine, but for the longevity, for the most part, when someone's looking for a, a foundation repair specialist, they're gonna do one of two things. They're gonna ask somebody they know, hey, you know anybody that can fix these cracks? You know anybody that can fix my foundation, right? Or you're going to hop online. So if they don't do the word of mouth referral, which is the best kind, they're going to get on the internet and they're going to look for Foundation Repair New Jersey. Or if they live in New Jersey, it's going to auto populate, right? Yeah, you guys do dominate or these are called the map listings. So these top three businesses do get 70% of the calls, which is probably why you're booked up, but it's not going to take much for anybody to knock you off of this. Why do I say that? Because you're not down here in the organic listings. Now, most of the time, when a business does reach up here and the higher they get, their map listing pulls them up through here. Okay. Keep in mind that there's 3 spots on Google. There's 5 spots on Bing. So just you can occupy more than one spot. That's my point. And then there's 10 spots down here that you can occupy, right? So that being said, I just want to show you when somebody is looking for your service, why you're popping up in New York, don't know. Because you're supposed to be based out of New Jersey, but this is where that map listing was established, right there. See, it's not displayed, but it's just so your map listing was established in New York, right? Is right here, like so. Anybody in these areas looking for foundation repair, yeah, you're gonna pop up one in the top three. And anywhere where it says 1, 2, or 3. But if you come over here, let's just say Morristown, you're gonna see these top three businesses, right? That's how that works. And then you can see their dominion over here. But then again, back over here, these are the top three businesses that are getting the calls. So how do you occupy all these spots? How do you rank your business organically? Well, optimizing that map listing, right? Every little detail inside of it, you want to fill it out. Citations. When you have a name, address, and phone number. The same name, the address you use to set this up, and your phone number. The reason why you guys, are ranking is because you have a keyword in your name, right? Excellent foundation repair. But in this keyword in your map listing is one of the reasons why you're showing up first. There's not a lot of other people. There are some, but not many, right? So anytime you use your name, address, and phone number, the same one you use to set this up, and you build like a Facebook page, Facebook's gonna give you a citation, right? The BBB, Yellow Pages, Yelp, 100 other different places. Okay. Content. It's the words on your site. It needs to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant to searchers. Let's just look at one of these services that you provide. You provide, say, porch repair, or just say foundation crack repair. Look this up for New Jersey. It's a different search, you see? Foundation crack repair is a whole different search, and then you get whole different results. So the more detailed that you can get with this right here, actually building out service pages and having some authority behind it, is going to help you guys out a whole bunch. Then you got backlinks, and these are votes from other sites. Votes from other sites. Now, just because you have a lot of votes doesn't mean you got the best votes. So that's 12 votes, right? 22 votes. So really, it's not going to take much for someone who really wants to take this serious and forgot where you were, like, popping up, but it's not going to take much to just knock you guys off of this map because you're not in the organics, right? And some of these key elements are not being taken seriously. But I mean, it's good. This is good. I can show you guys how to get more green dots by utilizing these key elements. And let's say you service somebody on Staten Island. You want them to write a review, a good review, stating where they're from. And that's definitely going to help you out. Anywhere where you service somebody, you want them to say, hey, from, South Plainfield. Thanks again, right? You're going to start becoming more relevant in that area. But as for now, these are the top 3 businesses that display in that area. And even they're not even that great. I'm going to send a copy of your map listing, your heat map, along with this video.